बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। This is all about ideas signing in. And I am going to share with you most beautiful, super stunning and outstanding button recycling craft ideas. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and unique, and very stunning button recycling craft ideas for you guys. So guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very unique and very amazing button recycling craft ideas for your home decor. These are super amazing and most demanding and outclass button ideas for you guys. So viewers, always remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are very amazing and very stunning and very beautiful button art and craft ideas. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very pretty, these are very amazing, and these are very unique and very classy button art and craft ideas for you guys. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are super classy and most stunning ideas for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Always take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.